Good morning friends, welcome to Hangout Plus channel. Today is 1st September 2019 and from today onwards new traffic rules are going to be imposed. So you drive very carefully because the fines are very expensive. Instead of 1000 you have to pay 5000 now. So be very careful while driving. Today we are going to unbox a very special product, that is a hands-free helmet from Steelbird. I purchased it from Amazon because from today onwards there will be strict rules for not using mobile phones while driving, and you should not use mobile phones while driving. So I got a very unique idea that why should not we use this hands-free helmet. Box, Steelbird hands-free helmet with all price tag and all. Here MRP is 2589. I purchased it from Amazon at 2450 rupees. It is also available in Paytm Mall, where you can purchase it with cashback. If you have a cashback coupon, then you can purchase it. Effective price will be 2200. So you decide where to purchase. So friends, here is the helmet. Very nice build quality. I ordered it in red color. It is matte finish, plain visor. All the instructions are over here. Front Steelbird 7 badging. Here is the air inflow vent. Here is the switch to switch off and switch on the air inflow. If you want to take the air inside your helmet, you can switch on it, and if you want to stop the air inflow, you can switch off it like this. It is closed now. So in the back side it has ISI mark, this air outflow vent. Here is the Steelbird 7 badging, and here is the main thing. It is hands free. Here it is, you see the hands free logo is inside the helmet. There are two speakers are here, one here and another one is here, and here is the pouch which contains the aux cable. Hands free logo here. Below it there is a switch to attend the call and disconnect the call. Here is the aux input. Inside the box I found a very interesting thing. Steelbird advertising. It says buy a Steelbird product and stand a chance to win a prize daily for the rest of your life. Go to Google Play Store to download a Steelbird Connect app. After downloading the app, you log into your app using your credentials. You register your credentials in the app, and after that you have to verify your product whether it is genuine or not. So in this product there is a QR code, and following which there is a unique product code. So you can see here the QR code is available, and while using the app it will ask you to scan the code. In this box I also found this two speaker cover. Maybe it may be, here is the aux cable. I got it with the helmet. It is available with the helmet. You don't have to buy separate aux cable. Helmet is connected with our phone through aux cable. Now use the helmet. I have switched on this Linkin Park In the End song. I found another very interesting thing while using this one. If you open the visors, sound is coming differently, like a normal tweeter. When everything is surrounded and everything is closed, you hear a better sound quality. You see how the helmet is, how it is getting connected, how is the sound quality, how is the build quality. Everything I showed you, and in our next video I will show you how to fix a action camera on this helmet. And I have purchased 2-3 helmet accessories, and I will fix it on this helmet and I will show you in our next video blog. Till then, drive safe, be safe, enjoy your life. Thank you.